In ESM, there are two types of accounts, exhibitor and regular. Exhibitor accounts are specifically for people or companies who will be submitting show entries or services orders. If you will not be submitting entries, do not create an exhibitor account. Get an exhibitor to create a regular ESM account for you. In this video, we show you how to create an exhibitor account for a company. So once you've decided that you want to create a new exhibitor account for a company, you go to the My ESM main screen and press Create New Account. The very first thing that we need to do is to make sure that the company doesn't already have an account in ESM. Having two ESM accounts is not like having two Facebook accounts or Gmail addresses. It's more like having two social security numbers. It will create problems. So we search for the company, and sure enough, there is no account for that company, and therefore we press Create New Account to continue. Then we select Create a New Exhibitor Account for a company, and that takes us to the screen that we need to fill in. All of the mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. We start with the company name, and then the contact name for the company. Next, we're going to enter the email field, and that email will serve as the user ID for this account, so it must be unique, and it also must be valid because ESM and the shows will use this email account to communicate with the exhibitor. We leave Allow Emailing checked and select a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long. For security, it should include numbers, letters, and special characters. Once we've confirmed that, we'll leave off the phone number and enter a mobile phone number. Unlike the email address, the mobile phone number does not have to be unique, so multiple ESM accounts can use the same mobile phone number. Shows will use text messaging to communicate to this mobile number important information that the exhibitor needs to know during shows. Next, if the company has a tax ID, we enter it here, and it will appear on receipts from ESM. And then we agree with the terms and conditions for the use of ESM. You can see those by clicking on the link. And also, you have to consent to the anti-spam legislation. Again, you can see details by clicking on the link. The next thing that we do is enter the address for the company. This is just the mailing address, and also can be used by ESM or the shows when we need to mail out information. Then enter the city, and we select the state or province from a drop-down list, in this case Wisconsin, and enter the zip code. And next we're going to enter any equine association memberships that the company has by pushing the Add Membership button and selecting from the drop-down list the type of membership. And we can add as many memberships as the company has by continuing to press the Add Membership button until we've got them all entered. In this case, it's only one membership. Having filled out all of the information on the form, we press the Create Exhibitor button. And before we can sign into the account, the email address as entered in the user ID for the account must be verified. So if we go to the inbox for that email address, we will see an email sent by ESM system. And there it is, admin@esm.horse, and it is the confirmation instructions for the email account so that we can make sure that it is in fact a valid email account that we can use to communicate with exhibitors. And all you have to do is press the Confirm My Account button at the bottom of the email or the link. When we do that, we're taken back to the sign-in screen, and we can see that the account was successfully confirmed, and now we're in a position that we can sign in using the email address and the password that we specified on the account. When we do sign in, if the mobile number hasn't already been confirmed on another exhibitor or person account, then we'll have to confirm it. In this case, however, the email has been, the phone number has been confirmed and the account is ready for use. And that's how you create a new exhibitor account for a company in ESM. In another video, we show you how to create a new exhibitor account for a person.